You're using Capcut, and if you want to know how to add text, so you have to click here, and then you can click this, and then you can do whatever you want with it. For example, if the player is way too small, you can also adjust this to be way much more bigger, and then you can change the text to whatever you want. If you want it to be a subtitle, you can also change the font size. There's the font size, and then you can drag it right to the bottom right there. You can also add the styles. Don't forget the styles. This is bold, underline, italic. You can also change the color. And then I think one of the most interesting part about CapCut is that you can change the text into something like this to make your viewer can see your text more easily on the bottom. If you look at it from the editor perspective, it's actually not good, but if you as the viewer seeing this, it's actually really good. There are many options right here at the bottom, but I'm not going to bother with it. You can also add text bubble or effects. You can also do animation or tracking, but basically this is how you're able to add text into your video.